Hello students, so today we are learning about class 12th Pol Science chapter number 3 US hegemony in world politics. So basically if we are talking about the world politics and the US hegemony, the disintegration of the USSR led to the integration of the US hegemony in the 1991. And if we talk about the US hegemony, all of the power of the USSR were invaded and disintegrated by all of the forces of the different 34 countries. So basically Kuwait was invaded by the Iraq in August 1990. And if we talk about the invasion of the Kuwait, because Kuwait was the only country that was single-handedly maintained by the Islamic countries, but Iraq has played a vital role in this Cold War. And basically if we talk about the invasion of the Iraq, because the Iraq was invaded by the US and the other 34 countries, with the invasion and the collection of the 6,60,000 soldiers at that time, and Iraq was invaded by 34 countries. So basically the First World War or the First Gulf War. So basically the First Gulf War was also known as the first war between the Iraq and the between the different 34 countries. So basically if I have already told about the 6,60,000 troops that were covered by the US Army, and the different 34 countries have invaded Iraq, and that's the particular war also known as the First Gulf War. So after that war, which was known as the First Gulf War, George H.W. Bush lost the elections of that time to the Bill Clinton. So basically Bill Clinton was the new president at that time, and George Bush lost that elections. So the First Gulf War has made a massive change in the democratic elections in USA, as have made a bad image of George H.W. Bush in front of the people, because they have invaded not only Iraq, as they have damaged all the properties and the health of the people of the Iraq as well, as they have created a massive damage to the economy and the physical health of the people of the Iraq as well. During this era, it was believed that US has used its unusual past in invading the Iraq and the different Soviet countries. And if we talk about the past at that time with the US have developed more and more power, as they have bonded with the different 34 countries, and they have shown their power to invade Iraq, as they have the only country in front of them is the Iraq. And so that's very easy for them to invade Iraq, because all of the countries are with US, and US has the advantage of using his unusual powers. So basically the Cold War era has maintained and made a hegemon of the US in the world politics. Thank you.